Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix ChatGPT login verification problem. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, I would like for you to use a direct login. All right, so go ahead and open up the browser and just log in right here at the bottom left. If you're using a mobile device, log in straight up through the app. Do not use or avoid third-party authentication buttons, just like these ones right here. Continue with Google, continue with Apple. Just basically enter your email address and hit on continue. Then if you forgot your password, well, you can just go and request a password reset right here. Okay. If asked, if not, well, you're good to go. Also, if you're trying to find the email or code that was sent to your emailing service, well, you can go ahead and check your spam section. Okay. Maybe it's just right here under spam. So go ahead and check your spam list and check the code from there. So let's say you've tried to log in and then there's a CAPTCHA. All right. So for CAPTCHAs, all you got to do is to complete it slowly. High-speed clicking triggers bot detection algorithms. So take 2 to 3 seconds between clicking CAPTCHA images to prove human behavior. And basic fixes, disable your VPNs if you have a VPN active. Now on your browsers, click on the 3 dots, click on settings right here. Go ahead over to privacy and security. Now click on third-party cookies. Scroll down, see on-site data and permissions. Find ChatGPT, delete this one, as well as OpenAI, delete this one as well. And after that, refresh ChatGPT right here. Log in, and it should work. If not, go ahead over to your search bar and type down control panel. Click on control panel right here. Go to the top, make sure that you're under large icons. Go to network and sharing center. Change adapter settings right here in the left panel. Double click on the network that you're currently using. Go to properties. Now find TCP IPv4 properties. Now copy my settings. Obtain an IP address automatically. Use the following DNS server addresses: 8888, 8844. Click on OK. Close, 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 close. Now go ahead and reopen up the browser and ChatGPT as well. And then after that, you should be good to go. That is how you fix ChatGPT login verification problem. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.